Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. Alright, I got some DESTASH I need to do. I have new DESTASHs as well as some old DESTASHs that I'm going to reference as well. This right here that you're looking at are some Spectre Noirs. I don't use these. So this is, and they're brand new, they're still all packaged up and everything. I got them from Gina K. The numbers, there's two, oops, where'd you go? There's two of the CT4s and one, and this is DG4. It came with these colors as well as buttons and ribbons to match. So here are these. Let me put this light on. Maybe. Okay, and then package of buttons. Now these buttons are really nice. They've got some buttons that are the shiny kind in there, the pearlescent looking kind, but in the color, and then they've got different sizes in there. Alright, and then it comes with this green grow green ribbon, and you get that much in there. And then this is the sheer ribbon. I forget what you call it. What's it called? It doesn't say, but it's a lot in there as well. Okay, this is going to be $10 shipped in this little package here. Alright, and then let me show you this other. Alright, it's $10 shipped. The next thing I have is this these dies from Sizzix. These are the dies that coordinate with, it says coordinates with Stampers Anonymous CMS 319 and 320. It's got all these different snowflakes, and then the dies to cut those out. Okay, and I actually ordered this by accident, so this is going to be, the retail on this is $40, so I'm asking $20 for this plus shipping. Now the first package I gave you had shipping on it, but the rest of the stuff I'm going to show you is plus shipping. So this is $20. The Sizzix dies. This next thing is a background stamps from Paper Tray Ink. It is the Background Basics Pedal Power. This is what it looks like. Let's see, I can't get those other ones down, but underneath there, there's the single stamps that match these in here. So these are really cute. I like this one here, but I haven't used these, but these are this. And this one comes with, this must be an older one because it comes with the CD case, so you can put them in there. And this is going to be $12. Okay. And another Paper Tray Ink is this wrought iron, BB wrought iron. I think that's background, basic backgrounds or something like that. I don't see what. Oh yeah, Background Basics wrought iron stamp set. And let's see, I'm gonna show you what they look like. It's two long ones and then single ones if you need to add on to that. And I did use this one right here, but I haven't put them in any kind of storage thing. So, but these have got the, if you can see the black in the background, that black showing you, that's those things you can put on if you want to put this on a CD. Well, actually this is too long for a CD. Maybe you want to get one of those big DVD cases, I think, and put these in that. But it's got the index thing in there. So, and this one's going to be $15. Alright. Oh, I forgot to tell you, these were since these are brand new, but like this one right here is normally $18, so I'm asking $15. And then this one in the little city thing is normally $15. I'm asking $12. Okay. And then I have 2 Desire Edgeables for sale. This one is the hearts. Here, I had these punched out or cut out, and I cannot find the darn thing that I cut it out on, because I was going to show you that this one is flat, and then the butterfly ones, the wings pop up on these. But these are just real pretty, the flourishes and stuff. These are real nice. So these are $8 a piece. $8. Okay, and then I have a stamp set from Our Daily Bread. Let's see. This is it right here. Where? And it's got the die with it. I think that's the right one. Hang on, just 2. Yeah, there's the other one. I accidentally ordered one or 2 of them by accident. Yeah, that's the right one. These are really pretty. You could see. I hope my lighting is okay. This one has a poinsettia on it, and this one has a poinsettia, I think a straighter poinsettia. It's got some sentiments in it, Christmas blessings. It's got a from us to you, wishing you to your family and joy. And then again, it's got the die to go with it. And I paid like $26 for this, but I'll sell it to you for $20, since it's got both the stamp and the die. Alright, okay, I think that is it on this video. I got some more that I'm going to put out, so it's going to be US shipping only, PayPal payments, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be having some more come up. And also I've got several DESTASH items that I had done in the past, and I still have them, and a couple of them I'm surprised I still have, and one of them's a Christmas thing, so I am going to offer those up again, since the holidays are coming around, so in case there's something y'all may need for that, and that way you can look over them again. And some of them I've already downed some of the prices on them, and I may do that on the rest of them, but I'll get those in another video. So thanks guys, talk to you later, bye.